Alabama's Governor Kay Ivey signed protection for in vitro fertilization into law on Wednesday. The move comes several weeks after the state's Supreme Court ruled frozen embryos should be considered children, which prompted at least 3 Alabama IVF providers to halt the procedure. Both chambers of the state's Republican-controlled legislature passed the proposal on Wednesday, which protects providers from both criminal charges and civil lawsuits. Ivey said in a statement that while she expected there would be more work to come on this, quote, complex issue, she was confident the new legislation would provide the necessary assurances for IVF clinics to, quote, resume services immediately. However, the bill's sponsor, Republican State Senator Tim Melson, said the bill would not necessarily mean IVF providers could revert to business as usual. And he said some provider had told him they plan to start perpetually storing embryos that aren't implanted into a uterus. Republicans nationwide have scrambled to contain backlash from a mid-February decision by the Alabama Supreme Court, whose elected judges are all Republican, that left unclear how to legally store, transport, and use embryos, prompting some IVF patients to consider moving their frozen embryos out of Alabama. Democrats have seized on the Alabama court ruling as evidence that reproductive rights are under assault.